Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going over how to deactivate your Dasher account. Whether you're done dashing or just need a break, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get into it. First things first, you'll want to remove any scheduled shifts you have. This is important as DoorDash will not process your account deactivation until those shifts are cleared. So go ahead and cancel those shifts before proceeding. Now it's time to contact DoorDash support. You'll need to reach out them directly to process your account deactivation. When you contact them, make sure to include the email address or phone number linked to your Dasher account. Once that's done, DoorDash will remove your personal info in line with state employment law requirements. If you have any Dasher gear like bags or accessories, you can dispose of them as you fit. And don't worry if you change your mind, if you decide to start dashing again in the future, just contact DoorDash support and they will help reactivate your account. Quick note, it's essential for request the deactivation from DoorDash support directly. That way, if you ever want to come back, they can reactivate your account without hassle. And if you want to stop getting notification from Dasher, you have a couple of options. Uninstall the Dasher app from your app phone. Reply stop to any text messages you've received from DoorDash, or you can unsubscribe from DoorDash emails by clicking the unsubscribe link at the bottom of their emails. And that is it. It's a pretty simple process, but make sure you'll follow all the steps carefully to ensure your account is fully deactivated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.